friends, I'm Aadi. Welcome back to MS Paint with Aadi. Today is super fun. We're learning arrows and playing a game with you. Guess what? Tomorrow, my friends and I are playing a direction game. We'll all stand in a line and I'll be the leader. I'll show an arrow and everyone has to move that way really fast. Up means hands up, down means hands down, left and right too. But if someone is slow or wrong, they're out! Let's practice now in MS Paint. Okay, friends, let's open MS Paint and click the Shape tool. Here it is. First, select the up arrow. Draw it on the canvas like this. Now take the Fill tool. I'll color it blue, but you can choose your favorite color too. Now, let's add the down arrow from the same Shape tool. Draw it here, and I'll color it green. Next is the right arrow. Draw it here. And color it red, bold and bright. And last is the left arrow. Let's color it yellow like the shining sun. All done! Now I can point to any arrow, and you move your hands that way. Ready?
If I show up, hands go high. If I show down, touch your thigh. If I say right, swing that way. If I say left, don't delay. Up and down, left and right. Move real quick, do it right. Faster now, don't be slow. Miss a move and out you go.
You were amazing! Now it's your turn! Make arrows and paint and play with your family. Try to go faster! See you next time on MS Paint with Aadi. Bye-bye, friends!